that a whirl. So we're starting with a A4 8.5 by 11 letter size style photocopier paper, and we're taking the short edge and matching it up with a long edge. Feel free to pause the video whenever you need to. Now we have a nice folded diagonal. It's very nice, isn't it? Then I'm cutting off this excess piece that you won't need for your design. Okay, now what you had was a square. Now you're folding that to a triangle diagonally. And you're bringing the long end towards yourself, and you're going to fold that over on itself. Open it back up. You're going to have a good crease here. Now you can use this as your guide, that point right there, to fold this into thirds. So it's going to You can kind of play with it a little bit here and there as you work it. Before you do like a hard crease, I would first get it to the point where you're happy that it's as even as you can get it. And that would mean just a touch more, I would say. Now we're going back a bit. Just wanting to show you that I can't always get it exact on the first try. And then you're folding this in half. So essentially you have this shape here with these pointy parts on the top which you want to get rid of. So you kind of see Alright. Now you have this, bring it in a bit. You can once again fold your edges down. You can see that each fold needs a bit more help, right? You can actually go backwards as well. So either way, you just want this edge, long edge to be lined up in this one and nicely folded down. Okay, now we start. What design am I doing? Something crazy, I think. Oh boy, yeah, that is crazy. Okay, more here. That, and then I'm going to go like so, as though these are like, I don't know what they're like, but I try to think of parts of the design as matching up in bars like this. And I guess we're trying to keep the integrity all the way down like this. Gonna pick some marks here. Create this sort of look as though that's a piece that kind of goes together. And this goes like that. It goes there, goes there. So we have like a little bit of, you can see the lines sort of meeting. And this is not going to quite come to there because we're going to need to get into this area here. We're using our scissors. Yeah. So let me just draw this in so you can really see where I'm coming from, man. Okay, that's pretty crazy. And we're going to cut out all the dark areas. Cut out the darkness. The darkness. And it will be fun. So far, so good. Oh, got that one more cut here. Let's say this is a bit more advanced. Snowflake action. Just want to clean it up a bit. You don't have to make your dark marks so dark, just darken them so you could see. Bada boom, bada bing, bada boom. Now let's see what it looks like when we unveil the shape. Whoa, it's a pretty cool shape. If I can get it open. I don't know if I can get it open. Oh, here we go. Wow. That is looking really cool. Okay. Okay, dokey. Oh, that is sweet. Wow. can't believe we made this, eh? How did this happen? Wow. I would suggest starting with simple shapes first and then gradually get more complex. Man, I really like this. Is probably my favorite one so far. I like how the outer edges are connected, and then this part up here is not connected to down there. I think that really, the positive and negative shapes really play well in this design. Okay, cool. Let's see if it spins. It spins. Not that well though. I need a hole in the middle. This one is the first one I think I did without a hole in the middle.